Welcome here to the Grand Prix here, Formula 1 BWT Gross Prize von Austrian 2021 to round 11 Spielberg in Austria. A lot is at play.
Shortest laps on the calendar today.
They call it the Red Bull Ring,
making up the 10 corners of this high-speed circuit. Turn 2 is barely a corner at all. They'll be flat out through there, a left-hand kink into the uphill braking zone of Turn 3. Turns 1, 3 and 4 are all potential opportunities to overtake.
This will be an interesting race, as you see here.
And as always, a man with plenty of racing.
They're going to show in a few seconds Charles Leclerc leading the Drivers' Championship with 190 points. Verstappen's at 187 and Hamilton's got 176. This is going to be a very intense. Here's the Ferrari of Charles Leclerc. Led the whole qualifying, and on the last lap of the qualifying, Max Verstappen stole it and beats Charles Leclerc to pole. This is going to be interesting. Lewis Hamilton needs a big race. Mercedes needs a big race because it's Red Bull, Ferrari, then Red Bull, 2 Mercedes, 2 McLarens, Alpine, and then another Ferrari. Ferrari not good in the team here. All right, Verstappen and Leclerc to start at the grid. Sergio Perez, Lewis Hamilton, Valtteri Bottas, and Lando Norris. Daniel Ricciardo, Fernando Alonso, Carlos Sainz, Pierre Gasly. Esteban Ocon, Yuki Tsunoda, Sebastian Vettel, Lance Stroll, George Russell and Antonio Giovinazzi, and Kimi Räikkönen and Mick Schumacher, Nicola Latifi and Mika Mazepin to round off this qualifying round. All right, the race is about to start. To far chase. All right, here we go. All the lights are on in Austria. We're ready to go. The race is on. There goes Red Bull. Two Red Bull passes here. Red Bull coming in. Red Bull. Lights passing here. There goes to Verstappen and Perez. Oh, Hamilton and Ricciardo battling. Ricciardo passes Bottas. There he goes. And Charles Leclerc manage. He passes Perez, but Perez retakes that spot. Oh, nice move by Charles Leclerc. No penalty, everything's green. Perez is in third, Hamilton. Fourth, Ricciardo steals the spot of Bottas. Not a good start for AMG here. As Verstappen is still up in first spot. Charles Leclerc, I'm having lots of trouble with my speed. Yeah. If you can see the battery over there is at 63%. This is going to be a problem. Oh, Charles Leclerc may not have a full tank of Ferrari here. He will look to do his best. Max Verstappen leads after one lap. The fastest lap so far. Perez, Hamilton, and Ricciardo. Hopefully we'll see that name of Sainz in 5th space. I doubt it, but we'll see. All right, Verstappen number 1. The Red Bull Ring in Austria, and the Red Bull is leading. And Charles Leclerc get any closer? That's going to be a question here. We've got good weather. Excellent turn for Charles Leclerc. Now it's a 1.6 lead for Verstappen over Charles Leclerc. All right, there he goes. Third lap coming in. Cockpit as real as it gets. DRS is enabled. Oh, look at Hamilton and Leclerc right behind him. There's going to be some passing done here, and I feel it. Perez trying to pass it. Hits Charles Leclerc. Someone hit Charles Leclerc. And I think it was Sergio Perez. And that Red Bull is right behind him. Can he manage to pass Charles Leclerc? No, it won't. Charles Leclerc holding him crying. But Sergio Perez is doing his job as it's helping the other Red Bull, and Max Verstappen escaping in first place. Charles Leclerc knows that, trying his best as he escapes Perez for now. It's an excellent turn. As we're leading into the third, fourth lap, we're going back to far chase. 33%, that's not good. Ferrari losing power. This could cost points to Charles Leclerc and Ferrari in the constructors' points. As Hamilton is in fourth for car and fifth, look at that, there's catching up. You can feel that there's no power. Oh my, can he hang on to the second? Can Charles Leclerc hang on to that second spot? Power failure for Ferrari, disaster. Hopefully I can hang on. I hope I can hang on for that second spot. Big win for Verstappen if he holds on. Big second spot for Ferrari if Charles Leclerc still can hang on. He needs to hang on to that second spot. It's gonna be hard. Oh my God. Perez still on top of Hamilton. Hamilton needs to cut in. Oh, he goes off track is Leclerc, but he gets back in track. And now this is the final lap, fifth lap in Austria. This is all where it goes down. Perez catching up to Charles Leclerc. Can Charles Leclerc hang on to that second spot? And will Verstappen here looking to clean 2 seconds. Perez passes Charles Leclerc. But Charles Leclerc passes him again. What a battle. This is going to be an incredible ending. This is going to be an incredible ending. Look at that. Hamilton and Perez now battling for that second and third and fourth spot. Gotta watch out Leclerc on this turn. Will Leclerc survive this turn? Yes, he does for now. Perez still 1 spot over Hamilton. Verstappen is en route for a win here at the Red Bull Ring in Austria. Leclerc, a little turn more. Can he hang on to that second crucial spot for him and Ferrari? The final turn. Can Charles Leclerc hang on? Charles Leclerc is going to hang on. Max Verstappen wins the Austrian Grand Prix. Charles Leclerc survives hell. Big points, yes. Leclerc doesn't get the win, but gets huge driver's points.
A fantastic team effort to secure.
Great job by Red Bull. Great job by Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez.
How do you think
This
they were
is
able
big.
to set themselves apart today?
I think that's
And Hamilton out of the podium in fourth spot. Daniel Ricciardo in fifth spot. He steals it from Valtteri Bottas. Good job to Red Bull. Good job. Excellent job.
Drivers are en route to the podium as we speak. What a fantastic win for the Red Bull team. They performed exceptionally today, keeping us firmly on the edge of our seats throughout the entirety of the race. Congratulations to everyone at the team.
Sucks, I didn't have too much power. I couldn't catch up to Verstappen. Sucks, but congratulations to Verstappen. Congratulations to Red Bull. I'm happy I maintained that second spot. There's no complaint, no excuses.
Max Verstappen now leads
took
the
advantage of
Drivers'
that Carlos Sainz
Championship.
spot.
Anthony
Can't
Davidson,
believe
who
it.
would you
All
pick
right,
as
so
your
Max
driver of the day?
Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, and Sergio Perez are the top three. Lewis Hamilton, fourth. Daniel Ricciardo, fifth. Lando Norris, sixth. Valtteri Bottas, the seventh spot. Wow. Carlos Sainz, eighth. Fernando Alonso, ninth. and Esteban Ocon, 10th spot. All right, so let's look at the standings. And now Max Verstappen has taken the lead in the driver's standings with 213 points. Charles Leclerc's got 208. Lewis Hamilton, 188. Sergio Perez, 129. Valtteri Bottas, 104. Lando Norris at 91. Carlos Sainz, 74. Daniel Ricciardo, 45. Pierre Gasly, 43. Fernando Alonso, 19. Esteban Ocon, 5. And Sebastian Vettel with 3 points. In the constructor standing, nothing changed. Red Bull is number 1 with 342 points. Mercedes-AMG Petronas with 292. Ferrari 282. McLaren 136. AlphaTauri 43. Alpine 24. And Aston Martin 3. Alright, so Max Verstappen wins the Austrian Grand Prix. The Red Bull conquers the Red Bull Ring. Hope you enjoy it. See you on the next Grand Prix. Have a good day. Take care.